I'm going to show you how to install Deepseek locally in just 2 minutes. This means running the new Deepseek R1 model on your computer completely for free without any data being transmitted 24/7. There's a lot of videos online using Ollama, which is fine. I like to use Ollama as well. The problem is that you have to use the terminal to actually use an Ollama model. And I don't like going to the terminal and having to press enter every single time, and my chat history is not saved. It's just not a nice UI like ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you an alternative that in my opinion is better. If we go to the browser and type in LMStudio.ai, this is what I personally like to use. You're going to see it is a very similar interface that we're all familiar to with the chat history. We can type a message. We can actually use any model we want, including Llama 3.2, Mistral, Deepseek. And to be clear, this app does not collect your data or monitor your actions. Your data stays in your local machine and it's free for personal use. So to install, it's very simple. We just pick on whatever operating system we have. In my case, that's Mac. I'm going to click on download LMStudio for Mac, M series. It's going to download. And now when I click on this, all I have to do is drag this from here to my applications. It's going to do its thing. Now that it's done installing, I'm going to exit out of this and just type in LMStudio. And what should pop up, I'm going to allow this. What should pop up is LMStudio right here. I'm going to click on get your first LM. And funny enough, it did recommend me the Deepseek R1 Distill model, but this might not show up for everyone, so I'm going to click on skip onboarding for now. This is our basic interface, but at this point we can't quite use it because we still have to load a model. So I'm going to go to the search bar here, and here you can pick whatever model you want. In our case for this video it's Deepseek, so I'm going to type in Deepseek here, and here's our R1 distilled. For download options, I will just pick the smallest one for now. And I'm going to click download. As this is downloading, keep in mind you can only run a model that your computer can actually handle. So if you try to install a 100 billion parameter model on this locally, but your computer doesn't have a dedicated graphics card, it will not work. Now that the download is complete, I'm going to exit out of this, select models load. I will click on Deepseek. And for now, I'm going to keep the default settings, but you're always free to play with this on your own time. I'm going to click on load model. And just like that, exit out of this, exit out of this. And just like that, I have got my own Deepseek locally. Hi, who is this? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this super short tutorial. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more content like this. And thanks for watching. Bye.